Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cancel your PayPal membership. First, it's important to prepare your account for closure. Make sure your PayPal balance is completely zero, transferring any remaining funds to your bank account. Also, resolve any pending transactions or disputes to avoid issues. Finally, remove all linked bank accounts and credit cards from your profile before proceeding with the cancellation process. This ensures a smooth and complete account closure. Once your account is prepared, the next step is to locate the closure option. Begin by logging into your PayPal account using your secure credentials. After logging in, navigate to your account settings or profile section, usually found by clicking on the gear icon. Within these settings, you will need to find the specific link or button that says Close Your Account or something similar. This is the gateway to initiating the cancellation process. After locating the Close Your Account link, click on it to move forward. PayPal will likely ask you to confirm your decision, often with a warning about the permanence of the action. Read any on-screen prompts carefully before confirming. Once you confirm, your PayPal account will be permanently closed, and you will no longer be able to access it or its transaction history. This action cannot be undone, so be certain of your choice. It's important to understand a few key points after closing your account. A closed PayPal account cannot be reopened. The closure is permanent. If you wish to use PayPal again in the future, you will need to create an entirely new account. Also, before you close your account, consider downloading your transaction history for your personal records, as this information will no longer be accessible once the account is closed. Plan accordingly for a smooth transition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.